Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings and choosing connected devices. Now tap on pair new device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Then select pair in it and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always go back, tap on connected devices, select previously connected devices and tap on the gear icon next to the device. Then select forget and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!